In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set importance for an email in Outlook. If you want to make sure your message stands out in someone's inbox, Outlook gives you a simple way to mark an email as high importance before you send it. This can be useful when you're sharing time-sensitive information, sending an urgent update, or highlighting something that needs prompt attention. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple actions. Start by opening Outlook on your computer. Once Outlook is open, go to the Mail section. This is where you'll create and manage your email messages. If Outlook opens somewhere else, like Calendar or another view, just switch over to Mail so you can begin composing your message. Next, click New Email to open a new message window. This will bring up the Email Composer, where you can create the message you want to send. Take a moment to make sure you're in the correct Compose window before moving on. Now, enter the subject of your email. The subject line should clearly summarize what the message is about, especially when you're marking it as important. A clear subject helps the recipient understand the purpose of the email right away. After that, type your message in the body of the email. Keep your message concise, clear, and relevant. Since you're marking the message as high importance, it's a good idea to make sure the content matches that level of urgency. This feature works best when it's used thoughtfully, so recipients take it seriously when they see it. Once your subject and message are ready, look at the top of the message window and click High Importance. In Outlook, this option usually appears in the toolbar and is often shown with an exclamation mark icon. When you click it, Outlook marks the email as important, which helps signal to the recipient that the message may need special attention. After you've enabled high importance and reviewed your message one last time, click Send. Your email will then be delivered with the importance setting applied, and that's all there is to it. As a quick tip, use the high importance setting only when it's truly necessary. If every email is marked important, the feature becomes less effective over time. Used properly, though, it's a great way to help urgent messages get noticed faster in Outlook.